Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came and sought the permission to visit Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He saw that the people had assembled at the gate of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and no one was permitted to enter. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu was accorded the permission, so he went in. Later, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu came and he sought the permission, and the permission was granted to him as well. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu saw that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting there quiet and gloomy, and the wives had encircled him. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu says, I will definitely pass a statement which will make the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam smile. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, would that you had seen Kharija's daughter, Hazrat Umar's wife. She demanded an increase in allowance. I whereupon got up and started strangling her throat. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon smiled, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, they who are sitting around me as you are watching are also demanding an increase in allowance. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu stood beside Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and started squeezing her throat. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu stood beside Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha and started squeezing her throat, saying, you are demanding what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam do not have. They submitted, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we will never demand anything from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Henceforth, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed away from them for a month or 29 days. Then this verse was revealed to him. Translation: O the communicator of unseen Prophet, say to your wives, if you wish the life of the world and its adornment, then come. I provide you wealth and leave you in a well manner. And if you wish Allah and His Apostle and the home of the hereafter, then undoubtedly Allah has kept prepared for the well-doers among you a great reward. Confederates, verse 28-29. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam made a start with Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and said, O Aisha, I am going to present you a thing. I wish you not to make haste in it unless you consult your parents. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is that? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited this verse to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, will I consult my parents regarding you? No, I opt Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, His Apostle and the hereafter, and I beg you not to inform your wives of my reply. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever of them asked me about your reply, I will notify her of it. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu did not dispatch me to be harsh, rather sent me to educate people, providing them facility. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3674.